Hello, world.
Maybe. First trip is what? Picking. Picking pear. Oh, okay. We're going to go walking first. All right. So first trip is a walk. So let's get started. Nature today. We've been behind the camera or behind the computer for way too long, so we decided to go for a walk. So I will take you along. that has been here for years and years. And today we are picking up our second load of pears. I picked up about 90 pounds a couple of weeks ago, and we are now picking up, it's a smaller bag of good stuff, but that's okay. We have plenty for the chickens. All right, y'all, watch this. After a wonderful day. Did everybody have fun?
Yep. Yes.
All right. Well, we're going to get into our lounging clothes and just enjoy the evening with some unlaxing. And I will see you in some company of the doggers. They wanted to join us with this I was going to say extra, but that's not it. Expedition? Yay! Anyway, I will see you again soon, and until then, get healthy, be happy, and
herbal on!
Those of you that are ready to start down your path of a natural health lifestyle, check out bekkasplanet.com. I have some great resources for you. I'll see you there. Bye.